This is the landmark we stopped at, guys. It says KFC right there on the building. However, I have to say this was a fuel stop. And just to show you that there is life out here, not much life, we hear a truck coming around this sagebrush. There it is. This is Highway 40, and we are about 2 or 3 miles out of Vidal, California. Looks like maybe this not only was a gas stop, but maybe living quarters here. Now here's something interesting. Looks like looks like a snow tire there, but there hasn't been snow out here for years, if ever. We are in the Southern California desert. Looks like it was definitely living quarters at one point. Back here. Yeah, this was the kitchen, I would think. There's the sink area. No sign of a stove. A lot of signs of pigeons, though. Right alongside the railroad here. Here's the crossings. Looks like a nice looking place over there. Well kept up, that house with the green trim. Some kind of a silo or something for the, maybe for the railroad. They had power. Another breaker box there. Yeah, this is definitely was somebody's living quarters here. This is a shop back here. From the looks of it, let's see if we can see any signs of... Tell us what it was. Tom Hanks? I don't think with all these nails I'm going to walk through the middle of this. Sticking out of these boards. Look at this down here. What do you think that is? I thought it was steps leading to a something, bunker. I'm going to go around and see. Truck tire. Now look at this. These steps. Question is, where would they go? It only goes down 1, 2, 3 steps and it's caved in, but somebody spent a little time making a retaining wall of some kind. I think this building is the better of the two from the looks of it. Here's another building off in the distance, which I don't think we're going to go out to because I don't see much left over there. So it's part of the same lot with this size lot. It looks like it may have been a truck lot of some sort. One truck tire back there, big turnaround here for semi trucks. Anyways, guys, this is on Highway 40 just outside of Vidal, California. We wish we had a bucket of water to pour on that tree over there, but anyways, once somebody's dream here turned into exactly what we've shown you today. So guys, video 1 of our road trip here, spring of 2018, Nevada Arcade, out.